Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today let's make Kosu Palya, a delicious South Indian style cabbage stir fry. It's simple, homely and full of flavor. With just a handful of everyday spices, fresh coconut and crunchy cabbage, this quick side dish is perfect with hot rice, rasam, sambar and even chapati. Light, healthy and comforting, Kosu Palya is a must-try in your everyday menu. I add MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic, which makes the Kosu Palya super and everyone in the family loves it. These are all the ingredients that go into this recipe. Take fresh cabbage, it's about 300 grams. Remove the stem, chop it into small pieces, or you can even shred them if you like it that way. Chop the pieces evenly so that it cooks perfectly fine. Keep the chopped cabbage in a bowl. Now let's prepare the simple masala for this recipe. To the mixer jar, add a cup of freshly grated coconut. To this, add a teaspoon of cumin seeds and 2 green chillies cut. Grind this to a coarse mixture without adding any water. Once ground, transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. To a kadai, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, Channa dal and Urad dal. Let this roast to a nice golden color. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, now add 1 green chilli cut, a few fresh curry leaves, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and a pinch of Asafoetida powder and mix everything well. Next, add the chopped cabbage and saute everything well. Next, add a teaspoon of salt and jaggery powder and mix it well. There is no need to add water to cook the cabbage. Close the kadai and cook the vegetable for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open the kadai and see how beautifully the cabbage is cooked. Now add the ground coconut mixture to the cooked cabbage and mix everything well. Take 1 sachet of MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic from the strip. Cut the sachet and sprinkle the MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic in the Kosu Palya. It's made with 10 carefully selected spices like clove, cardamom and nutmeg, roasted and blended with care to bring that super MAGGI magic, a burst of color, aroma and flavor in every bite. I add MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic to my everyday veggies like bindi, aloo and gobi. Mix everything gently. Cover it and let it cook for about 2 minutes, just enough for all the flavors to infuse beautifully. Wow, it smells amazing. Finally, sprinkle a few chopped coriander leaves, mix it again and remove from the heat. Tasty Kosu Palya is ready to be served. I'm going to enjoy this Kosu Palya with some nice hot steaming rice and sambar. Amazing flavors. Simple cabbage stir fry can taste this good. Well, you guys must try it. Kosu Palya is yummy. With a dash of MAGGI Masala-Ae-Magic, every bite turns superb. One sprinkle gives endless flavor. So do give this recipe a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends.